How to set up and change your YouTube handle. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will share with you how you can create your own YouTube handle. So I think you already received some notifications about the YouTube handle or in an email attached to your YouTube email. So I received this email. Hi World of Apps, you can now choose your YouTube, your channel's handle. They say as a reminder, in most cases, if you already have a personalized URL, which I already have, but I will show you how you can create a YouTube handle for your channel. We've reserved this for you as your handle. If you're happy with that handle, then you're all set. If you want a different handle from the one that we reserved, you can change it. So it's a really good thing, and I will show you how you can change it. If you don't already have a personalized URL today, you'll also be able to choose a handle. Keep in mind that handles are unique to each channel, so once a handle has been chosen, it can't be selected by anyone else. So make sure to be quick and choose your handle right now with me. So you can click here on choose a handle. Now we are on our YouTube. Hi there, your handle is reserved. Your handle is World of Apps 1 because World of Apps plain is not available for us. This is our additional channel URL. You can click on this YouTube video right here and learn more about what are the YouTube handles. What is a YouTube handle? A YouTube handle is a new way for people to find you and connect with you. Unlike channel names, handles are unique to each creator, making it easier for you to establish a distinct presence on YouTube. Let's see some more about handles. Your new handle will become a part of your channel URL. So it will be right here up. It will be youtube.com/your handle. You can use your handle to direct people to your channel when they're not on YouTube. This is a really good thing. For example, if your handle is user123, your channel URL will be just like I said. Your existing channel URL, which is this one, and things you can do with the handle. You can get noticed in shorts. So this here will be your handle, which is really cool. Identify yourself in a unique way. So you can just search like this and you will appear. People can tag you in videos. That's a really great thing. Let others find you on YouTube. You can connect with others in the YouTube community by tagging. And here are some frequently asked questions. So guys, if you don't like your reserved YouTube handle, you can just go here on the top of the page and click on change handle. So let's go ahead and do that just to show you how you can change your YouTube handle. As you can see, mine is World of Apps 1. If you want to change it, just delete this. If I leave it like this, it's not available. So available, it must be it have to be with this green check mark, and then you have to confirm your selection, and that's it. You just picked your handle. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and much more other topics. about making money online and about social media. You can subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about the YouTube handle. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.